In this video, we're going to be looking at the basic kitchen setup, how we like to lay out our tools before we begin cooking all our recipes. We begin by dampening a little tea towel or cloth, laying that on our work surface. This will help prevent the chopping board from sliding about, making it nicer to work with and a little bit safer. We also have a bowl of spoons. We use these for tasting. Very important. We always have a little bowl or a container to collect all our peelings and rubbish in, keeping the station very nice and tidy. We've got some oil. Sometimes this will be butter, depending on the recipe. We have some salt, very important for seasoning. Some of the recipes will use some pepper. And then lastly, we always have our knives. I'll show you how to sharpen the knives in the next video. This is a cook's knife. We'll use this for most of our chopping. And just a smaller knife, just for peeling, chopping smaller vegetables and other little jobs. Look forward to see you in the next video.